Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the video description. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using this resource. Origin Investments, accessible via their website at www.origininvestments.com, presents itself as a platform for investment opportunities. However, it's important to carefully analyze and scrutinize any potential investment platform before committing your capital. This examination should encompass a deep dive into their presented investment strategies, the associated fee structures, and the historical performance data they provide. Due diligence is paramount. Further research should extend to understanding the background and expertise of the Origin Investments team. Investigate the credentials and experience of the key personnel involved in managing the investments. Look for transparency in their operations, including how they select investments and their risk management protocols. It's highly recommended to seek independent advice from a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions based on information found on platforms like Origin Investments. A professional advisor can help you assess your own individual financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment goals, enabling you to make informed choices that align with your specific needs. Never invest solely based on information found online. Always confirm the information with credible third-party sources. Remember, investments always carry inherent risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Any potential investor should thoroughly understand the risks associated with a particular investment strategy before committing funds. Origin Investments, like any investment platform, requires careful evaluation and consideration. Ensure you are comfortable with the level of risk and potential returns before making any investment decisions. Explore the platform's educational resources, if available, to gain a better understanding of their investment approach. Finally, never invest money you cannot afford to lose.